Did you know that octopuses have three hearts? While one pumps blood to their bodies, the other two focus solely on their gills. But that's just the start. The male seahorse is the one who carries the babies, and they can give birth to up to 2,000 at a time. Now let's talk about elephants. These gentle giants can communicate through vibrations, feeling sounds through their feet. And don't underestimate the humble honeybee. They can recognize human faces. Finally, the immortal jellyfish can revert to its juvenile form after maturing, effectively cheating death. Next time you think you know everything about animals, remember these strange facts that remind us how wonderfully bizarre nature